A few days ago, there was a sister who told me, I don't think we're supposed to dress in this specific way. And she mentioned something that was outside what the Quran and the Sunnah teaches. And she says, I don't think Allah will actually hold you accountable for extra. I said, my sister, I want to tell you one thing. Allah Almighty says, if you engage in a sin, you're better than a person who justifies something that you're doing. You'd rather say, look, I want to get to that level of modesty, even if it is a very high level, and you aiming there, you won't ever slide backwards. May Allah forgive us. But if Allah Almighty has rejected a person, they start to believe that this is not important, that's not important. Like one person told me years ago that I don't think Allah would punish someone for not praying. I mean, how does he benefit from the prayer? I said, my son, it's not Allah benefiting, you will benefit from the prayer. When you go out to earn your money, how did Allah benefit from that money? He didn't. But you went because you needed the benefit from it. The currency on earth is the dollar and the pound and whatever else, including the Zimbabwean dollar. But the currency of the day of Qiyamah is your deeds. You need to do them, because on that day, يَوْمَ لَا يَنْفَعُ مَالٌ وَلَا بَنُونَ. On that day, your wealth, your children will not avail you at all. What you had, it's over. But your deeds will come to your assistance. That's the currency of the day of judgment. So as you are piling up a lot of money, you need to pile up a lot of deeds. These will come in handy on earth, and those will come in handy in the court of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. That's how beautiful it is.